Stop wasting time writing code from scratch. I am going to show you exactly how to build a professional website in under 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a live site ready for traffic. We are talking about layout, copy, and images, all generated by AI. It is faster, cheaper, and frankly, better than what most agencies produce. Let's dive straight into the workflow. First, we need a structure. We use Relume AI to generate our sitemap. Click on Generate Sitemap and type your business description. Hit Generate and see how it builds a hierarchy for you. It defines every section from the hero to the footer. Don't worry about the design yet, we just want the flow. This step prevents the most common mistake, a messy, unorganized website that confuses your users. Now, open Claude 3.5 Sonnet to craft your copy. Feed it your brand tone, your target audience, and the services you provide. Write a catchy hero section for a creative studio. See how it generates benefit-driven headlines immediately. Copy those blocks directly into your notepad. We need high-converting text that talks to the customer's pain points. Never use generic "welcome to my site" text, AI can do better. A website is nothing without great visuals. Use Midjourney to create bespoke photography for your sections. Type /imagine followed by your specific visual needs. Use keywords like high resolution, natural lighting, professional photography. Watch as it generates 4 high-quality options for your landing page. Choose the best one, upscale it, and save it to your computer. These images will give your site a premium feel that stock photos simply cannot match today. Head over to Framer and choose a template that fits your wireframe. This is where the magic happens. Paste your generated copy into the text boxes. Swap the placeholder images for your custom AI photography. Adjust the padding and margins to match your brand style. Framer's AI tools allow you to adjust entire layouts with one click. Check the mobile preview to ensure it looks good on phones too before hitting publish. A common mistake is forgetting to optimize your images. Your site will be slow if the files are too large. Use a compressor tool to resize them before uploading. Another issue is SEO. Don't just rely on AI to write your meta tags. Review the page title and description settings inside Framer. Ensure your keywords are included naturally. Small details like these make the difference between a pretty site and a site that actually ranks. You have just built a website using the latest AI tools. It is responsive, fast, and SEO-friendly. The power is in your hands to iterate and improve as your business grows. Remember, the goal is to launch, not to be a perfectionist on day one. Download my free AI website blueprint linked in the pinned comment below for more prompt templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials every single week.